Guys, so today I am going to unbox this FabFitFun. I had an annual subscription and I thought it actually ended with my last box, so I was not expecting this box at all. So I did not get to customize my box. This is going to be 100% a surprise, customized by FabFitFun. So you guys are going to get to see this as I do for the first time. So let's check out what we got. The only thing I did was untape it. So this is what we're going to get to see in here together. Let's see. We always get this $15 off your first box. We get a magazine, which gives all the information and some different things. So I'll look at that later. Always get some of this stuff too. Usually don't use any of it, but okay, so let's take a look at what I don't even know what to expect because I did not even look at the spoilers. So we got a can of Heineken, which it's alcohol free. I don't know about that, but we'll see. And we got some socks. Boot socks. Guess those will come handy in the winter time. Looks like a candle here. I can already kind of smell it. Actually smells pretty good. It's not too strong. Actually kind of smells like men's cologne in a way. Evergreen candle. Got some shea, and so this is going to be some balm for your hands and body. Okay, it's super thick. Super thick, kind of greasy. So I guess if you have super dry hands, yeah, that's kind of greasy. Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. So we've got an eyelash curler. Rose gold. Lash lifter. I always call them a lash curler. Oh, another cup. I'm tired of them sending me cups. That's one reason why I'm canceling, is because I feel like I get the same things over and over again. I've gotten socks several times. Cups. Got some straws in there. Oops. I'll pick that up later. Don't really know how that works yet. Got a battery powered toothbrush. Oops. Two attachments, the brush, two brushes here. Comes with the batteries. Oh, got combs. So, I got combs, got a toothbrush, got a cup with some straws, got a candle. I like that candle. Got an alcohol-free Heineken. It's funny. Got some hand and body balm moisturizer. We got some Restore lip balm, eyelash lifter curler thingy, and we got some socks. Not super exciting. If I had been able to customize, not sure I would have picked the socks. Maybe the toothbrush and candle. Definitely not the cup or the alcohol-free Heineken. That's funny. I don't know. I mean, I have tons of combs. I already have a few of these. So, I guess I really would have picked some different stuff here. But this is my last box. It was 100% not customized and 100% a surprise. So I got some stuff here. We'll see how well they work out for me. See you guys later. Bye.